your courses, when you're in Schoology, how I accidentally came across that EdPuzzle by clicking over here where it says Clean ISD. And then if you click on Recent Activity, okay, and then if you will look over here, scroll down and look over here where it says Suggested Apps, and then click More. And then I didn't realize that Schoology could do all of this. There are tons of resources for us to use to incorporate into Schoology. There's so many. I'm going to start looking into some more of these to possibly do, but tons and tons of resources. All right, so you're going to just barely scroll down a little bit, look for, sorry, I thought it was called EdPuzzle. It's just EdPuzzle. So you'll click here, and then you're going to click Install LTI app, agree, and then you're going to say what classes you want to install it on. So I only did it on, well, actually, I guess I clicked to put it on all my classes. I made some fake courses, and so that's what this is. This is a fake course. So, okay, let's, and I didn't click for course admin only. I didn't know what that meant, so it seems to be working fine by not clicking this button. Click to add it, install. And then, then I went to, let's see, when I go to that course now, and then I had already gone in and said EdPuzzle, and so, and you just click, there's a little button that'll say accept or something, and so you just accept it. This class option thing, all it does is allows you to change what it says right here. So you could say Art 1 first period, Art 1 second period, whatever. That's all that this does. So now, I don't know if it gives you an option to go to the actual EdPuzzle website, but you need to go to the EdPuzzle website and sign up. And so you're going to go to edpuzzle.com, sign up, and then you're going to click on I'm a teacher, and then you're going to click sign in with Google. So you do have to sign up. I mean, that's what I did. I signed up with my Google account and did just fine. I did not sign up directly with them, and that worked. Okay. Okay, and so, sorry. So this is where you're gonna view your gradebook. So if you rename anything, this is where it'll go. I haven't assigned anything yet, so there's nothing to see yet. And then content. These are the things I've been. No, there's my content. My content. Yeah, and then Harker Heights showed up. So my content. So these are the things that I have picked and saved. This is the one that I wanted to show my students, and it already had questions built into it. And so down here is when it's going to stop and ask a question. And then here's the question. The kid can rewatch the video. I guess they can skip it, and then they can answer and submit. And so I think all I did was just type in perspective to see what would come up. So like, and so you can pick any of these. So that was the one that when I watched this one, the way she teaches it is very similar to the way that I teach it, and so I felt good about picking that. Yeah, so lots of options here. You can see more. So what I did was I went to YouTube and found the one that I wanted, and then came here and tried to find it. And then you can, so like if this is the one you want to do, this one doesn't have any questions on it, but these people, there are 94 versions of this specific video that these teachers have made, have done different things with it. Show more. So you can like, so this tells you how many questions they have on the video. This person asked 9 questions, 7 questions, 10 questions. So you don't have to create the content. More than likely somebody else has already done it. And then you would go to assign. Let's say we want to pick this video, the one with 10 questions. Need to go. You're, of course, going to want to watch it first and go through it and make sure that this question is what you want to, make sure all the questions are what you want to ask. I don't know. Edit. Let's see what edit does. Okay. I forgot it can do this. You can cut down the beginning or end or just show a small portion. You can even do your own voice over the whole thing where you're the one talking the student through what's happening, which I thought was really cool. It's just somebody else's video. And then your own place to add questions if you wanted to. And then it really only is multiple choice or open-ended. There's no true false, which was a little bit disappointing, but that's okay. And then finish saving. So now when I go to add materials, no, okay, it's here. Add materials, let me see if this does it correctly. Okay. My content, here's all my videos I have to pick from. This is the one I want to assign. You have to click the watch button, and then you can assign it. But I can see here there's no questions. Oh, no, this is the wrong one. So then I can go back. I don't know if I actually picked any that had questions and saved them. I don't think I did. Okay, no, I didn't. Whatever. All right, so assign. Do you want them to prevent skipping? Do you want them to watch the whole thing? They can't go just like skip to the end. Do you need to turn on closed caption for your hearing impaired students? And then assign. And now here it is. And then you can either, it does automatically publish, so if you're not wanting them to see it yet, you can unpublish it. And then how to make it sync with your gradebook, you have to click on edit. And then right here, you're going to click enable grading. And then assign a due date for it. And then pick what category you want it to go to. And then save your changes. And then you could have individually assign it if you wanted to. Okay? All right. That is how you use EdPuzzle.